Beto. It's on this side.
When I say hi.
Huh? Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
It'll work now.
Audrey, say hi.
Hello.
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 There you go. That's what we're doing. I have interns now. Oh, man. If you're ever in St. Louis and you want some of the best, I think they call this a strawberry colada. Strawberry colada. Gotta go see my boys over at T-Topia. They got the best strawberry colada. Well, almost everything they got is great, but this strawberry colada, whew. So let's talk about the new people and what does it mean to the studio. Well, obviously that's kind of a good thing. It means that the studio is growing ever so slightly. So let me introduce you to Audrey Suntrup and Renee Richardson. Both of them I have a familiarity with because I've worked with them before as a mentor, and both of them are either out of college as Audrey is or in college as Renee is, and they are both at different stage of their art career. Renee is a little bit more at the beginning stage than Audrey. Audrey is kind of moving into the second tier. She's not a vet, but she's kind of coming out of her rookie stage into her sophomore tier before you become a veteran in this game. So what does that mean for the studio? Well, hopefully it means that I'll be able to get out way more work and get way more done. That's the hope and the prayer. It still is going to kind of depend on me and what I'm doing, but I'm not trying to be as focused on doing everything. And I think the lesson there is that you can't do everything on your own. You have to have help. And just being honest, over the last few days, last few weeks, I just been feeling more and more overwhelmed with all the work that I had coming in, the work that I needed to do, all the things I wanted to do, the stuff that had to come out, deadlines, everything was just closing in on me. So it was fortunate that this opportunity came about, and I have to thank Audrey because she's the one that kicked it off. I'll tell y'all right now, this is probably the most interviewee of the videos that we'll ever do. After that, I'll just be running and gunning and vlogging and all that good stuff. But I figured, since you guys are new, and since you guys are going to be here, since you guys are going to be here on a pretty consistent basis now, especially on days when I know I'll be recording, everybody might as well know who you guys are, so they just don't think I just have strange young women hanging out in the studio. and
Be like, what's going on there?
Yeah, what's going on there? So, let's start off with how this all began, because we have Audrey to thank for that. Audrey, what made you give me that call?
Because I was like, before I moved to LA in August, it would be nice to get some experience. And then I was like, you know what? Why don't I just ask David if he needs any help?
That's what it is. It's like, hey, I need a job. No.
Yeah, I'll be like, I can help you out. You can look good on my resume for my situation.
So, but that was cool. That was dope that you decided to reach out, and I was needing the help. I'm not even gonna lie, and I don't know why I didn't think of asking you guys earlier to be interns, but I'm glad you asked me, guys, because I was actually at a point where I was getting overwhelmed. So there's a lot of things going on. We're gonna talk off camera about that. That was leading me to being overwhelmed. But as soon as I talked to you, then I was like, well, let me see if Renee will want an opportunity to do the same thing. And that's when I text you. So, Audrey, you went to
SCAD.
You went to SCAD.
And college parties.
And you were in Savannah. How was Savannah?
I actually loved it. It was pretty great.
See, Savannah. I've been in Atlanta. I have never been to Savannah, but I heard Savannah's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's mix of old and new blended together, which is pretty cool. Old buildings with like new modern stuff going on.
That's dope. Now, when it comes to Renaya, she's coming to the end of her freshman year of college, so priorities were a little different. So I wouldn't expect her to just reach out because she was still trying to find the ground, and with all the work that she has to do, managing classes, all that type of thing. But I thought it was an interesting opportunity if I reached out to her and just say, hey, did you want to intern with me and just see what they do for you. To my surprise, she was super excited, and honestly, I've been working with her for a long. You know what? I'll let her tell you. And everybody at least has seen you in one way or one form or another, which would be the artwork that's on some of the artwork that's on the wall. So we met in Jennings.
Yeah.
What year was that?
You guys met.
Yeah, I was in the only art class in that high school, and my teacher, Miss Kelch, she noticed the potential that I had with art and that I really wanted to take it to the next level. And so she had David and Lorenzo come in, was it like once a week? Mm-hmm. So yeah, every once a week they would come in and they would help us work out with Photoshop. And that was when I had Animation 1 and Animation 2. And it was, I loved it. It was great. It was fun.
So here's what you may not have known about that program. That actually is, for what we understand, the only program of its type at the high school level in the country. There's one that's sort of similar, but they say it doesn't meet the same criteria. So in Ohio. So you were in our second wave of kids that came through, and yeah, we saw the potential and the talent, and we were just like, all right, we're gonna coach your culture up. And so for 3 years we've been working together, and Audrey for 2 years at least. No, it made it
3 years, I think.
Yeah, you know the funny part, she was in class at the same time that, right around the time when I first met you, when you came to do your first portfolio review at Line Forge. So it's just crazy how that all worked out. But the stars aligned. And then you did your summer internship at Line Forge 2 years ago?
Was it 2 years ago? 2019?
2019.
Oh God, 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years.
Well, we don't count 2020, so yeah.
Yeah. We sure don't know.
Sure. Yeah.
What is that?
What is that? Yeah, that year doesn't count. All right. So I just wanted to introduce the ladies because they are going to be in the vlogs moving forward. You'll see them in the background. You will see me interacting with them, harassing them, all that good stuff.
And
So
we'll harass you as well.
yes,
Very
yes,
much.
they will harass me as well. So just wanted to introduce them, and we're actually going to get to work now. Y'all can't see all this other stuff we're about to talk about. So there, it's a secret. These guys are going to be permanent fixtures in the studio. Audrey's here till August, and Renaya's is here as long as she wants to be here. And we're going to be doing a number of different things and projects and working together. So you're going to be seeing them on the vlog and on everything that I do. So I just wanted to introduce them to you guys, and for you guys to get to know them a little bit, and just kind of know how we all met and how that works into what we're going to be doing with the studio moving forward. We got Biggie right there. Actually, I think I need a new shelf.
Yeah. Just rack. Put them, I guess, behind these guys, maybe. For now.
Yeah, for now. I put them right here for now too. I'm gonna do something with them. We gotta put Wayne somewhere. They caught it 3. But yeah, I'll probably grab one for my kids tomorrow. I'll just put it right here for that now. Let's see the collection. Okay. Yes, I have a ton of Funko Pops. so you ain't knocked over on.
That's not fun.
If you break it, you buy it.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Immediately knocks over now.
No, it's the same one.
Okay.
The head was too big.
Yeah, it's kind of funny because they're a little off balance with this super huge head. So yes.
That's cute.
So these are all mine. These are all the rappers and athletes, and you got Prince, you got Pac and Biggie, you got Easy, Cube, Run DMC, you got Mike, Ali, and LeBron. Then we got TLC, Salt and Pepper.
Yeah.
I hear LeBron's name a lot. I think it's that little kid going, LeBron James.
Is that
LeBron
Migos? Is that Migos?
Yep.
That's cool.
Got the Migos over there. That's like the entire cast of Black Panther except for
Right.
I forgot who. There's one missing.
Which one of the characters? I might remember. Shuri? Okoye?
Oh, yes, Okoye.
Ah,
Missing Okoye.
I love her. How dare you miss her?
Shoot, that one's expensive now too. Jeez.
Well, can you blame?
Alright gang, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it the big thumbs up. Remember, the big thumbs up is the lifeblood of our channel now, so more likes we get, the more we're able to defeat the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you guys are so inclined, please share this all over the internet. Now, if you guys are new here, well, this is a great video for you to be new to and to be introduced to, so yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see more of our story as we build up, as Foresight Studio builds out, as I have studio mates. So definitely do that. Now everybody hit the bell icon, because that's also how we defeat the YouTube algorithm, because that will let you know when I post up a new video. Now if you guys want to get in touch with me, I'm always available on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. I also have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, that's David Gordon 72. And if you guys really want to support, go ahead and head over to Patreon, DKG72 Comics, and select the tier and support. With your monthly donations, basically go to me building the channel and the studio as best I can. But if you're not a Patreon person, then I also have links for all of my coloring books, comic books, sketchbooks, notebooks, everything listed below. There are affiliate links, so I do get a small kickback from Amazon from whatever sales that I make. So hopefully you guys will partake one way or the other. Alright guys, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will holler at y'all later. Peace. Oh, wait.